Hey, welcome back. I got some good news and some bad news. So, I went to the DMV to try to get this Festiva in my name, and the bad news, it owes almost $1,500 to the DMV in back fees. Living in California, they don't let it slide, the fees on these cars. So if you don't register it for 7-8 years, this is what happens. So I'm kind of have mixed feelings. Let me flip this video around. Mixed feelings on the fees. I don't know if I want to spend $1,500 to register this thing. I'm not sure if it's worth the money. I mean, this is a $400 car. So I'm going to put this on hold for a little bit. It's a little disappointing, but let me share the good news. So if we walk in my driveway, I bought one of my favorite cars. No, not my Fiat Abarth, although this is fun to drive. I bought a 69 Mark II Mini Cooper. So this thing is pretty sweet. Super clean. I also have the hood and the trunk. No rust. It's been in California for 30 years. I think it was imported about 30 years ago. And man, is it pretty straight for a 69. I don't think it's been in any accidents. If it has, there's a little bit of cracking here. So I think there's a little minimal bit of Bondo in this, but not a lot. I don't think there's a lot. Looking on the inside of the panels, there's no big dents. There's a little bit of Bondo on the roof. But for a 69, this is pretty good shape. So this would be a perfect candidate. And since it's not in the DMV system, I can get it into my name for a relatively good price. I also have the hood, the trunk, and a handful of other parts. Although the glass I don't have, it is available. So I don't know, I think this is pretty cool. I think this would be great for a mid-engine swap. Maybe stick the motorcycle drivetrain back here. So that's kind of where I'm headed. Let's see if my wife likes it, and that'll be the decision, because obviously everyone wants to see her face more than mine. Let's see what she thinks. So what do you think of this new Mini Cooper I just picked up?
I like it.
Let's come look at it.
It's like a toy car. There's no seats, no engine, no rear view mirrors, no glass.
It's glass?
Yeah. No door knobs,
Doorknobs?
door handles. I like it.
Okay, so she likes the
Better
Cooper.
than the Festiva.
You like this one better?
Do this instead of the Festiva.
And look, it fit on my 4x8 Harbor Freight trailer. Well, there you have it, folks. She likes the Cooper. It's sitting on ATV tires. Look. We're going to change that, though.
What about this weird seam?
This is just like the manufacturing in the 60s. Some guys will do a one-piece hood and fender, so the whole thing tilts up. But I think we're going to go with a motorcycle engine back here.
Ooh.
It's pretty clean.
The GSXR? It'll be fast.
We'll be fast.
What do you call it? You slam it down, put it down a little bit,
Lower it?
lower it. Get some racing seats.
Needs a lot of work, but I think this might be the new direction. What do you guys think? Any final thoughts?
I'm excited for this.